Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the eye tracking on iPhone iOS 18. It's really easy and simple guys, so follow along step by step. So first things first, you're going to start by opening up the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and just tap on accessibility. Then under the physical and motor section, you want to tap on eye tracking, okay? And now what you're going to do guys here is you want to toggle the switch on to enable this feature. And then after you enable eye tracking, what you want to do guys is you'll be asked to calibrate your eyes by following a series of on-screen instructions, okay? Which may involve, looking at certain points on the screen, and then of course once activated you can customize settings for tracking speed and dwell time and more to fit your needs. And now guys, your iPhone will track your eyes and help you navigate hands free. So I hope this guide was of assistance to you, and if it did provide any value to you, consider smashing that like button guys, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications guys so you get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.